Hi guys, this is Eleonora from essaydigital.com. As you know, there are numerous types of academic assignments. For example, a narrative or argumentative essay, research paper or lab report, literature review or dissertation. Who knows how to write each of the mentioned tasks? Probably the professors do. What about the students? They should just watch this video to get the universal life hacks that is suitable for any academic assignment. Let's begin. Our professional writers have completed thousands of essays and academic papers. Based on this valuable experience, we have created this short tutorial. Unlike fiction, academic writing is formal and logical. It is a type of writing activity used for academic purposes. Academic writing is always formal and unbiased, clear and precise, focused, well-structured, and well-sourced. And the main don'ts: your writing should not be personal, long-winded, and emotive. The structure of any academic essay should include introduction, main body, and conclusion. But do you know the percentage of each section? Introduction should be 10% of the total word count, main body 80%, and conclusion 10% as well. So we recommend the scheme 10, 80, 10. It's easy to memorize with essaydigital.com. Do not use conversational tone. Your narrative should not include dialects or slang terms. Use standard English. To make the text coherent, you can use transition words, narrative links between sentences and paragraphs. Here is the table of the most frequent transitions. So pay attention, guys. Lack of transition words between sentences and paragraphs make your text hard to read and comprehend, while overuse can distract and confuse the reader. So please avoid forcing a transition into every sentence. Use synonyms to avoid repetitions, which are a common mistake among students. Add parallelism to your text. Parallelism is created when you use grammatically equivalent forms within a sentence or a paragraph. For example, she likes jogging, cooking, and reading. Avoid subjective language. Expressing your opinion is appropriate in particular types of academic text, such as personal statements and reflective or argumentative essays. In other cases, try to let the facts speak for themselves or emphasize your point with less biased language. Avoid too informal language. The following words and phrases are considered too informal for an academic paper. For example, a bit, a lot of, isn't, don't, can't. Avoid overuse of personal nouns. Excessive use of personal nouns may lead the reader to believe the study was overly subjective. Avoid directives that demand the reader to do this or to do that. Use the evidence-based recommendations. Don't be too simple. Using too many simple terms can make your writing sound elementary, so take care not to overuse them. For example, bad, negative, good, positive, big, large. And last but not least, don't lose the chance to use essaydigital.com to make your paper perfect. If you enjoyed the video and want to hear more from us, subscribe to our channel and press notification bell in order to learn more about easy academic writing.